How to book an appointment at the France Embassy. First of all, you should go to the France Embassy website. Then just scroll it. Then you can see there is an option is book an appointment. Just click here. Then just select accept services. Then how many people's do you want for appointment? I'm just select one and then click to confirm. Then select hybrid. All the information available on the consulate website. Just click book an appointment. Then you can see you can select the date and the time. Just select it. Then you can easily set an appointment. Then click here and just provide your name, email address, just like a similar form, every form. Then click confirm, then your appointment will be selected. Thank you for watching.